In this tutorial, I will show you how to activate your account and purchase packages in the new BitLocity back office. First, go to bitlocity.io and click Login. Next, you will enter your username and password that you chose when you pre-registered for the program. Then click Sign In. Next, you must read each of the independent associate agreements, and there are 3 pages. Click Next in order to view them all. And once you have read all 3, you will then click the I have read and agree box, and then you will click the I have read and agree tab. Next, you will go to step 2, and this is where you will pay the $25 membership fee. You will do this by clicking on the Renew tab. On this screen, you can see the wallet address as to where you will send the $25 membership payment. You can also see the exact amount of Bitcoin that you must send. Be sure to send money directly to this specific wallet address and send the amount that is required. Once you have done so, then you will click Verify and activate my package. Now, once that payment has been sent, you must wait for at least one confirmation through the blockchain. You'll notice the tab in the upper right-hand corner. It says, "Thank you for your payment." Your package will activate after some time. That is after it has been confirmed in the blockchain at least one time. And so through the wallet where you sent the money, you can see how many confirmations have gone through. But once those confirmations have gone through, then you will be activated over here in BitLocity. And then also, here's a screenshot of your particular wallet. And of course, you're going to paste in the wallet address that BitLocity provided you. You're going to enter the amount of Bitcoin. You want to make sure you enter the exact amount of Bitcoin. And then you have the option to send this priority. In other words, you will pay a higher fee to get your transaction to go through faster. You might want to do that in order to save time. Now, step 3 is to provide your Bitcoin wallet address. And you can do that by clicking on the money bag, and that will take you to another page. And this is where you will enter your wallet address where you want to receive your commissions and you want to save it. All right, so now that's done. Your next step is to pay for your $25 Infinity line payment. And of course, in order to do that, you first must click on My Matrix, which is the icon you see over in the left there. And then you're simply going to click Buy Now. Great, and that will take you to another page. Again, you will see your wallet address as to where you will send this payment, and this wallet address is exactly the same. Of course, you can click on the little squares there, and you can copy the wallet address and the amount of Bitcoin that you need to send. You can copy that directly to your clipboard so that you don't make a mistake with the amount. Of course, you want to make sure you send the exact amount, ladies and gentlemen. That enables the system to process things automatically. Once that's done, you're going to click Verify and Activate. Again, you must wait until you have received at least one confirmation, ladies and gentlemen, in order to move forward. Once that confirmation has gone through, then you can click the Activate and Verify My Package tab. Great. So you notice here that where it says bronze, you notice it says purchase. That means that confirmation has gone through and that is now activated. So the next thing you want to do is activate the silver Infinity line, and you will do that by clicking Buy Now. And again, the wallet address is exactly the same as to where you'll be sending the $50 worth of Bitcoin. And of course, you can copy that wallet address to your clipboard. And then you can also copy the exact amount of Bitcoin that you need to send, because it must be exact in order for it to go through. Make sure you do that correctly. And then, of course, you need to wait for that one confirmation. Once that has gone through, then you can click the Verify and Activate My Package. And that will allow you to go to the next step. So now we go to step 6, and this is where you can purchase additional packages of your choice. Now, you might recall from the previous training that at this point, you can actually pay for multiple packages at the same time, starting from the $75 package and up. So in this case, if you wanted to purchase packages all the way up to the Sapphire, you would simply click the 1000 Buy Now, and this will enable you, ladies and gentlemen, to pay for the Sapphire, for the 750, the Ruby, the 500, the 200, the 100, and the 75 all at one time, and it would only require one confirmation because you made one payment for multiple packages. So that's the great thing about step 6. Now, the next thing I want to talk about is the optional internal wallet. This is what you can use to make your withdrawals. Now, this is optional. You don't have to use this if you don't want to, but you have a decentralized, secure internal wallet inside of BitLocity. And in order to save money, ladies and gentlemen, instead of making a lot of smaller withdrawals where you have to pay those transaction fees for every withdrawal, you can actually let your earnings accumulate and make one larger withdrawal. But it's entirely up to you whether you want to withdraw as the money comes in or whether you want it to accumulate. You can determine whether you want to do that by enabling this feature. And the last thing we want to talk about is 2FA security. 2FA security adds another level of security to your account, and this is something you want to consider activating. All right, so in order to do that, ladies and gentlemen, you would simply click on the gear that you can see on the lower left-hand corner, and you need to download Google Authenticator. You need to download that app either through the Play Store or the Apple Store. Download that onto your smartphone. And this is what the app looks like. It looks like a little safe right there. That's what you want to download. Now, the next thing that you will notice is that when you click on enable, ladies and gentlemen, it's actually going to pull up this screen. And so you're going to scan this QR code onto your smartphone, ladies and gentlemen, or you can copy that address that you see right there into your smartphone. It's going to provide you with a code, and that code changes every 20 seconds. You enter that code in the box that you see on the bottom here, you click submit, and now it becomes activated and enabled, ladies and gentlemen. So that means that in order for anyone to access your account, they must have your smartphone and that code. So this is a security feature, something that you want to consider applying to within the system, ladies and gentlemen. It's going to enable you to have much more secure experience with BitLocity. All right, so that concludes this tutorial. We'll have detailed trainings on the internal wallet and the 2FA authenticator as we move forward. One final note concerning blockchain.com. If you are activating your BitLocity account or purchasing packages in BitLocity using your blockchain.com account, we found that sometimes there is an error if you are using the QR code through the blockchain.com app. And if that happens, what you can do is copy the BitLocity wallet address and manually enter it into your app and then send the funds. Or you can log into blockchain.com online, copy the wallet address, and then send the payment. All right, so just something kind of different about blockchain.com. This is how you can make your payments following these instructions using blockchain.com. Thank you.